And I got have my son. You see it? Yeah. Bro, me know I'm a fuck up, bro. But you know I got have my son. I have my son, bro. You see it? Yeah, dog. I'm telling you the truth, bro. You don't want to chat, bro. You want to chat, bro. You don't want to chat to me as a big, as too grown somebody, bro. You don't do that, bro. You see it? You don't, I feel like, say. You know, I feel like weird, bro. I'm telling you the truth, bro. Kitty, I try to add me. Where go on?
Why you look so serious?
Bro, if you not watching, if you not talk, bro, you not talk, bro. If you not jump, you not jump, bro. You see, me know I'm a fuck up big time. I'm accept the fact, bro. But at least do the thing on a professional level. So, you see what I say? Yeah, dog. So, TJ, what you want to say? What you want to say, TJ?
Me not say nothing. We just say for the.
Oh, you not say no. Say, TJ, just be.
So, Fabbi, what you Kitty. What you want to say, Kitty?
Me not say nothing, then just add me.
Fabbi, what you want to say, Fabbi?
Everybody not say nothing. Me not say nothing either.
Everybody not say nothing. What you want to say? What you want to say?
Bro, me don't say what me say, but me don't say what me say already, bro. You see it?
Which is why? Is it that you try to get back in the back with Fabbi?
Yeah.
No, me just ask. I sure want to know.
She make up her mind already. You see?
Oh. So now just be friend then?
No, we can't be friends. I'm not TJ. How can we be friends?
So Fabbi, where you...
You know say Jayden you there say a cocky door and you know in your heart you want back Fabbi.
Then she don't know that already. But me can't force somebody, bro. Come through.
Alright, so guys, you don't hear that now. We're not at the back or nothing.
Yeah. Oh my God.
No, me make them know so them can just stop now.
No, but when you say it so like you just work with what him say. It not so like you want to say that.
Yeah, that me I say.
It not so like you're sure.
Yeah, man.
Fabbi want give him one chance, you know.
Eh? Where's the kitty?
Yeah, I feel like Fabbi I look into it from the other day and you know, feel like she want give him back a little chance.
I'm not giving no one.
So Fabbi, when me ask you never really want to answer. Like, it's...
No.
Let me tell you, boy, I'm afraid to blood clot.
We're not getting involved.
Plead the
We're not getting involved. If I ask me disappointed, me tell her no. I'm not surprised. Then me not tell Fabbi say me I get her 2 weeks.
What? What she said to you?
She asked if me disappointed because I come catch you now. So me tell her no.
Well, so hold on.
You know what, I'm going to speak my honest opinion, Jayden. I think Fabbi want to work it out a little bit, you understand? But she just afraid what the media going to say. Honestly to God, I swear that me I say.
What she mean? What she mean? No. What she mean?
So you change?
You don't see me in a new clothes and new skin. TJ.
She feel like
Watch out.
second chance, Jayden. She feel like, you know, let me tell you, sister, everybody I say, let me tell you, honestly, you see to all me see it, she feel like, she in herself, she want it. The art want what it wants, but she afraid of the media. I tell you that. I swear to God if I know that thing.
No.
That's true, Fabbi?
No?
She a try to hide that little thing there. She a try to hide it, you know,
When
Jayden.
I say,
I run
No, brother. Bro, I'm just...
See there? She want you, bro.
TJ, may I ask you a question? TJ, may I ask you a question? What your team name?
my team,
Yeah, what your team name?
Thug Life.
Your team name Thug Life. Who run your team? You run your team, no?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so Kitty, what your team name, Kitty?
No kitty.
Okay.
Go with the car, man. Go
So
with
you
the
run
car.
your team? And this is your team because me run this.
Mm-hmm.
So Fabbi, what going over there, son?
Oh,
No, them run me. Them run me.
Oh,
But them run me.
Okay. They run.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, same I say, a Fabbi team, I block it.
Okay.
Them not black nothing.
Right, Fab.
Let me tell you, she afraid of the disrespect against Jayden.
True.
No.
We're not, bro.
No, me understand where you're saying.
You understand where I come from, right?
Yeah.
She afraid of the disrespect again. People are going to say she have low self-esteem with herself. People are going to say she don't have no dignity or no morals because the way you do her on the media, all of them something that she look into. But in herself, she won't give it a second chance. May I tell you?
Oh. I know all them things that just... Jesus.
If she consider, some people
You see, if she could consider to give a second chance, she go tell us, say, bro, take it off of the media. Let me tell you something. She will hide and the back with you, you know. As a woman, me will hide and the back with a man when I really want, you know. You understand? But nothing in a dark. This, you know, it will come out after a while, TJ. May I tell you, TJ. After a while, it will come out because in our heart one. May I tell you. TJ, you know that too?
No, we're not talking.
Man want woman and his mother beat you, say, lift the boy. You hide and take back the boy. Until it just come out, bloop.
I have to know, watch out, Kitty, you talk. We have to know if she's on the same page. Like, when you talk, TJ, you can ask her, is that true? So understand, say, what Kitty has said, she understand and as such, she feel it too.
She...
I
Fabbi.
really chat up. And you go like say a live chat. And I
No,
like,
I confirm with what you confirm.
Okay.
So you agree, I say you feel, Fabbi?
yes, because
Take a toll upon her the other day. You see like, oh, it take a toll upon you, it take a toll upon her the other day. May I tell you that? Meaning, she think about it right through. And like me I tell Fabbi, this is not a relationship, them thing you be, you know. She want you, bro, but she don't want the disrespect, bro. She want you to take it off of the media then.
That can't work. It can't come off of me.
it can't work because if then I succumb grafted. No.
And then you don't have to let go the past. Fabbi, and then you have to let go the past. You don't have to let go the past. So it's all about within yourself again, you know, you have to let go the past. You see, if you want to keep on go back to the past, it will go fuck up the present will go come and now. You understand?
Oh, we are gonna do that. Oh, we are gonna start remove the past from the
You see that? Girl, wow, you come here.
No.
It's a fair question still. Sure.
No, for real, but like, alright, them you see them past things that for your brain, bro, that are hard to remove, yeah?
It's always say that.
Alright, you know what the main thing right now, we have to gain back trust. You see, in a relationship, Fab, you have to trust. You see, if you can't trust your partner, the past will come back and fuck up again. You understand? Trust. Respect, trust.
Boy, as far as how me see it, knowing how human beings stay, it no matter what nobody say, I ain't no idea, Fabbi, I just do what she want.
Alright.
Una for
So
just.
all who not pan the media talk about if she dey back with this and that, she can hide and take him back. Me I tell you.
Okay, Fabbi can't really hide nothing still, so
Yeah, she can't really hide, but she go hide it for a little while until it come out brawling, TJ. I want you to understand, don't be surprised if she do that because I what the art want. I tell you no again. Stop making it look like say, who no live Fabbi life. A Fabbi life, guys. You understand? And she have to know what she want.
So Kitty,
Yeah,
suppose what you would do? What you would do?
Huh?
Then me not tell you. Then if me want my man, nobody can stop me from take my man. You're crazy.
Let me say no one but you to in Caan. You say no
He
one.
can't. Me not want him back.
What the friend man?
Me not have nobody now.
That's so much, man.
I know so much, man. Me just say me not have nobody now. But listen, I know me at the topic. Don't stop straight from the point, right? So I focus here, so. You understand? Remember him going with the carrier, we know that. But listen now. Jayden, are you single?
Yeah, I'm a single man.
No, let me tell.
Bro, them keep, bro. I don't know why they give me
You
woman.
got this one, woman?
Why not give me woman?
No, you got this one, woman.
I'm a
What woman, Fabbi?
woman.
And the daughter.
No, I bet you this a big C. I don't think.
I'm a big seed still there. My big seed still there.
What are this is
Looking more at me.
Bro, watch out.
Alright.
one that-
Fabbi, me want to show you something.
Watch out, wait now. Watch out.
Lie.
We not got this. We not got this nobody over here. You see, but me and nobody not there.
Okay.
Cool.
You see where all me see it, Fabbi? He might try work it out all along. He not there with nobody for true.
But Fabbi said she have somebody, you know.
Girl.
No, she tell me, I don't know if I joke or a prank, but she tell me that she have somebody for true.
TJ. You know, say, look what they are for, you know.
No, I'm not even busy about that. I'm not getting involved with that part.
Look what they are big foreign.
Mm.
Yeah.
But so you have to sacrifice yourself.
No.
You must have nobody go because him
No, my son.
That me I try to see if he
I like that, yeah, I like
My
that.
son, I couldn't know. Wait no. Sure.
Oh, probably, me know what.
What not talk about now?
Probably somebody call for you two of them.
No, not that. If somebody did call for you two, jeopardize it. But I make sure go on, live life. Fine, man.
Well, Fabbi.
We're just going to go and talk.
You want to go for the step? Which side you want to be on?
She on the right side. What's wrong with you?
Oh,
Wrong, man.
Wrong match.
No, what as the man say is, like what I'm saying, him done.
Fabbi, me tell you so when you say it, so me not like when you say it, so Fabbi.
Oh.
No, this. That's a long one.
Wait, no, we not do it wrong. What not do it so?
Yeah, that's people.
No, she not something that she not something that you have to make she comfortable.
Yeah, but Jayden, Fabbi.
Oh, so it's set now. Come on, chat.
No, we just, we move on, man.
Alright.
You're trying to.
No, we move on.
So here, move on. Let's
Let me tell you.
Let's go, chat. Let's go.
Fabbi do she said she move on, guys, but listen, hear me out, guys. Fabbi said she move on, but yet she still not get over the fact of her past. So she use the move on when she move on. You understand what I say, TJ? If you try get over the past.
Also, she try move on for stay.
You know, get what me I say. Guys, you don't help Kitty now. Fabbi says she move on to try. Is a rebound. If you understand, thank you no.
Oh, say my rebound.
Not him. The future. The present where Fabbi says she move on. She's still hurting from the past.
51 roast chat.
She's still
51 rows, chat. 51 rows. 51 rows.
Guys, everybody send a rose. Everybody send a rose. Everybody send a rose. Everybody send a rose, guys. Everybody send a rose.
Like Fabbi I tell herself so she move on, but in herself she don't move on, you know. She don't move on 21.
Guys, we use a triple.
Triple chat, triple.
Come on, guys.
You want to make peace with the past so she can move on.
Chat, triple chat.
Triple, guys.
My side, use the triple chat. Use the
Triple. Come on, come on, come on. Twin, thank you. Triple, guys. Triple, guys. Triple. Triple chat. Triple. Yeah, thank you. Guys, come on, guys. Come no, guys. Guys, triple no chat. We're on a wheel. Seriously, Jizzy, nobody know.
I know add triple, I use if you use the triple. I know miss triple.
Oh,
me say.
see.
Abuse it not would stop forcing. Nobody now force somebody. I what do no man?
nobody not force nobody come. Me not force her. Me just make sure know say me been through them thing there, so me know what me I say. As a woman, me been through that. I know what me I say.
That topic there. We know the truth.
Forgive her, that's it.
We know the truth, bro. So when you go talk, bro.
What I do over here, moderator mute the girl them.
Marie! Jesus Christ, there.
Make your tongue.
It's up to Fabbi what Fabbi want to do. And as me know Fabbi, she got do what she want at the end of the day. So.
Alright, yeah, me like how Kitty talk fact. Yeah, but listen now, una say if no man expose. You see, some in the comment section, man do body now as a female, no take up back your man, them, then sleep with no friend, they sleep with no auntie, no uncle, no take them back. You understand? People can change. Now say what Jayden do right, cause we know that fuck up already. That's free. You understand? Some now go like live perfect life and best life. Some now go like say uno life so good. Like just a people life, make them figure it out, make Fabbi figure it out. Me can't force her. But as what me say, man do me bad and make me sneak and go take it back. Everybody do me bad and me sneak and go take them back. Until me within myself know says a finish line and me done. Everybody have a finish line in their life.
I would never. People say road.
Man. Can I do 5 years?
Alright, Sassy. Eh?
Can I do 5 years? Bro, I'm just make up my mind right now.
Alright. One thing Fabbi say that we are work with.
Yeah, anything she say that you have to do.
If I did me.
Make up my mind, man. I'm not go back, man.
Okay.
Man, I can't just don't know for that now.
Alright.
I'm not for call my name say them something there. I'm just done right now.
What call your name?
Him not for call my name every day and him could something like that. Just don't let him fuck with it, brother.
Baby Misha, your pussy where you have under your sick you because it's a rotten. That's your other sick you.
Done, brother.
Pussy where you have. Go on a doctor.
My side, thank you so
Come
much.
PJ. Come here, go play PJ.
Something now. Alright.
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 Alright then. Jayden. Jayden. You see the comment section. Let me tell you what happened, guys. Guys, tap up your screen. Come at me and my chat reason. My team kitty people, my genuine supporters, listen what me I say. Triple chat, triple make me talk, triple and then me talk. Chat, triple. My side, use the triple chat, triple. My side, use the triple no chat. We not a money gun, we not a galaxy. Use the triple no chat, use the triple no chat. Me know that, Zena. Use the triple chat, use the triple. Let me tell you something, guys. Let me tell you something.
Our problem.
No, she just say she say what she say and she done, and then she say come TJ. She say what she say and she done what she say and she say come TJ.
Oh. The phone?
And then the phone, like I feel like I don't know, like they must say the phone, but I don't know. Moderators wanna clean up your comment. But let me tell you something. Jayden, I'm gonna talk this.
Yeah.
See, this is social media, bro. I'm on different city or something. And then you see when you believe in your comment section and make them feel like them have a angle in your life, a tool in your life, it got hard.
Yeah.
And if you understand what I say. Guys, Rose chat, Rose chat, Rose. When you not send up a Rose, I can't do it much at that. Guys, beg on some Rose, please. Rose chat. Guys, beg on some Rose chat. Alright. So, she want what she want, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know. I see everything. I see this clear, you know, Jayden. I know me I say, you know, I see it clear, you know. But, you see, the comment and fear side as supporters, trust me.
Really, thank you.
Now say what you do, Jayden was right, and we know that. You understand?
Yeah.
Because the body not perfect. But the way how I see you fight feet, me feel like say you put up a little change. Like you done with the fuckery now. You see say a serious thing you want to know. You know? Me see say you try fight it, but it now go. If she not accept it and know say you finish, you understand what I say and forgive you, it not gonna work and worse it pass again. So right there and then mother just try tell you no say, you know.
Watch you know. If she make a decision, you see, we can't fight it.
Deep down, she still love you, bro. Deep down, Fabbi no, me not ask you, I tell you. It take, you know when you're in a, you know when you love one man to a point where you're not even know so you love him until you left him. Guys,
Stop blame, bro.
you understand what I say, guys? You never there do a man yet, and you never know say so you love him man until you the man left. It take a deep toll on you, like you crash out, like you brain gone far. It's like you can't believe what going on. You understand? But Jayden, you have to take things serious to hear, bro. You're a very jovial person. You take some time, some things for joke. Maybe she just feel like you're a joke around for come back, come hurt her again. And them thing there. You have to show like a remorse and you have to show like a reassurance. Sorry. You understand? And them thing there, you have to show like you really, really mean it and ready and apologize to her in the way where like how you disrespect her upon the media. She look out for your apology upon the media. You understand? That is what me think would have give you a better angle of the situation. I know people can't tell me I'm wrong for say that. I know that for sure.
You can't wrong.
You understand? Sometimes some man no know, not even man, sometimes you man pan a hole no know what them have till it gone. And that happened to you. You never know say she was that girl who you really love until when you break off you notice it won't hurt, you know, because you know company media long time too, you know, you're back and forth off media too, you know. You understand? You think about her every day. No day no pass you no think about her while she do the same. They two wanna have genuine love for each other, but the disrespect and the media and the comment section and the all of them things they just
Tough, me dog.
all of them things they are fucking up.